you're doing well. I am here today with a little bit of a different video to my usual content, but I thought I would film this because I thought it might be quite useful to some of you. So I'm sure you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video that I'm going to be unboxing the new Nintendo Switch Lite, and I got the shade Coral, and Sam's also got the Switch Lite in grey as well. So the reason we got these is obviously because we are stuck in lockdown, and what better time to get these and play some games. So we've also got Animal Crossing, which we're really excited to play. I have never had any of the Nintendo Switch, like the previous ones, so I'm really excited to try this. I used to have the Nintendo DS Lite, I think, but not this one. So, and I have seen that apparently this coral shade is sold out in quite a lot of places as well. So let's have a look. And there it is, just on top, and it comes in this plastic bag. I'm so excited. There we go, that is the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's really lightweight. I'm wondering the difference between the Switch Lite and the Nintendo Switch. The main difference is just that this is a handheld device, so it can't connect up to your TV, but we're not really that bothered about that anyway. We've mostly just got these to play Animal Crossing. So if you do check out my vlog channels, if you do watch all of my vlogs, you will probably see that I will be playing Animal Crossing quite a lot, so I'm really excited. In the box you can lift this up here and you get the instructions and the information pack and the charger, and that is it. That is all you get, that's all you need. Should I open Sam's? Will he be upset? Maybe I can open it and then put it back for him, so he won't know. Because they don't actually seal any of the Nintendo boxes. So let me just open this and I can show you the grey colour as well. So it comes in 4 different colours: coral, grey, turquoise and yellow. This is the grey one. So there you have it, these are the Nintendo Switch Lite. If you do have one of these, comment down below what your favourite game is and let me know if you're playing Animal Crossing as well, because I can't wait to play. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it partly useful. If you did, then make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell icon so that you never miss an upload, and I will see you very soon. Bye!